It's about consumer choice, and they just want to continue to sort of eradicate consumer choice. From our perspective, we don't care what you drive, if whatever technology, we believe that government should remain technology neutral. They're putting American technology and American innovation on the sidelines.
And we had some breaking news come out over the weekend. Late Friday night, the EPA ordered Congress to review California's electric vehicle mandate waiver for the very first time. There are only 60 days for Congress to introduce and pass a resolution of disapproval.
We're going to Washington, D.C. to talk to lawmakers with the SEMA Action Network.
My first interview with lawmakers.
It definitely felt like we all had a huge impact.
I just feel inspired to learn more or get involved. You can click the link in my bio.
Come and speak with our representatives about new car laws that are going to affect the automotive industry.
SEMA advocates sent over 50,000 letters to lawmakers.
You can do your part.
The Specialty Equipment Market Association wrote that a ban on internal combustion engines would represent over $100 billion annual economic impact to the United States economy and cost roughly 330,000 jobs.
So right now I'm at the White House because right behind me, Karen Bailey Chapman, my boss, and Mike Spagnola, CEO of SEMA, are in the White House for the signing ceremony for the CRA resolution. This was the win that SEMA delivered on behalf of the automotive industry, for the aftermarket, for automotive enthusiasts across the country.